All right, so my name's Leah. I'm 30 years old. I hail from the United States, and I also recently made Aliyah. I have a Bachelor's of Science in Design from the University of Cincinnati with over 5 years of experience doing graphic and product design, leading the product development process from concept through production. My role in this project was the overall front-end vision with branding, the UX, and the UI.
Hi, my name is Tomel. I'm originally from Belgium. My background is also as a mechanical engineer like Danny there. And my professional experience is more in business consulting, and the last 3 years I co-founded a digital agency in Shanghai tailoring to luxury brands. And from here moved, of course, to Bootcamp. Now me and Leah, we have something in common. We both really love food. Thanks to most of you as well. And I think our life really revolves around food. We wake up in the morning, we eat, we come to a presentation at work, and we eat again. We go back to work, and guess what? We eat again. And every time we really need to choose what we're gonna eat, and maybe where to eat. And the problem is that everything we saw out there doesn't really solve the problem of finding an appetizing solution of finding a dish. So we'd like to introduce you to Nush. This is a social food app based on dishes. So when you land here on the home feed, it's a personalized, smart home feed showing only images, basically dishes of food, categorized in different kind of cuisines. It can be posts of dishes that your friends posted, and it's also filtered around, for example, locations, so you make sure that's something near you. Now, if you really want to look for something more specific, because you don't really, in case you know what you want to eat, you can actually search for it. I like burgers. We're going to go for burgers. And everyone always had the discussion. I want to have the best burger. So here, for example, you can see the best burgers, trending burgers, burgers that your friends, for example, have posted, and you want to check them out. So I really like that specific burger there. I'm going to go for it. And it's an America burger. As you can see here, you can see different dishes that are presented from that burger place. And you have a very clear call to action, and you can also only see what kind of, who from your friends actually ate there. Now, of course, if you go somewhere, and like everyone does, they take pictures of their foods. So why not share it on the app, and in one click also share it on all social medias. And in turn, you also kind of give popularity to that specific dish. And more importantly, you can follow your friends, meaning that you want to see where they ate, what they like to eat, and maybe also together discover some more food. And I give it to Leah.
All right, so for the stack, we decided to go ahead and learn everything new. So nothing here we knew before the presentation and the project. So for the front end, we used React Native, so it is a native mobile app. We used Redux with that, and then our back end is Firebase, and for the mockups, prototypes, and UI design, we used Adobe Experience Design. And now for the demo. All right. So we'll sort of do this a little more interactively then. All right, so we're on the app, or we're on our phone, and you know, it's not quite lunch, but I'm already hungry. So I'm gonna go to my phone and we're gonna go into the app. And as you can see, you have our feed, and there's lots of things on there. There's hummus, pizza, maybe oysters. Ah, awesome. All right, so we're gonna scroll through the app because I'm hungry and I really don't know what I wanna eat yet. But the pizza looks good, so let's go check that out. Awesome. So the best pizza's at Tedder. And oh, there's some other trending pizzas. Where I can go buy the slice if I'm in a hurry. But you know what? I think there was a burger on that page. Let's go back there and check that out. Oh, see, Tomer posted a burger. I'm not really sure when he had time to go eat, but apparently he did. So, and he's eating at America Burgers. I mean, I haven't been there, but I hear great things, right? So, I don't know. The food looks really good. Lots of different burgers. There was that onion blossom thing too. Love that. So let's give them a call, see how busy they are. You know, it's 11 o'clock now.
Don't call, it's my phone number.
So I guess the home delivery service is busy. So, oh, but you know what? It's 6 minutes away. Why don't we go ahead and walk there instead? Awesome. So now you can see where it is. You can navigate however you want to get there. We're preferencing by walking since we are in Tel Aviv. And as you can see, it's pretty straightforward. It's easy. It's all very visual. It's quick to find what you want, what looks good. And now you guys have to wait a few more presentations before lunch. So thank you.